Hey guys, welcome back to another Emma's episode. So, just to be honest with you guys, I had no clue, sorry, my bad, on what I needed to shoot this week. But, this Coachella thing took place and every beauty blogger just went, oh, we need to do Beyonce's look. And they did pretty good jobs, let me just say that. But one in particular that I really loved was Nikkitutorials. If you guys don't follow her, please do. She's amazing, she's bomb. What she did is she got Beyonce's makeup artist to do her makeup, and he did a magnificent job. Now I am attending a launch tomorrow. You guys will see this after the launch took place, but I'm sure you've seen on my social media I've been talking about stand-up. The youth need to talk about the problems they're facing, be it economically, politically, socially, and I'm pretty excited to be one of the people forefront to talk about it. And yeah, anyway, in a nutshell, I'm gonna show you guys what I am going to wear and the makeup board from Sir John and Nikkitutorials for me. We'll be right back. That was a pretty long intro, I can't even lie, but there was no way I could cut it short. Okay, so first I'm going to start with my eye primer. This is by Mark, Prep and Prime. And I love this idea of using eye cream. I'm not going to use my eye cream simply because it's Givenchy. I'm not feeling that generous today, so I'm gonna use my Prep and Prime. I use this. I think I use this a lot, so I'm going to use this palette and go in with this particular shade right here. I'm thinking of getting contacts. I don't know. I had a really bad experience when I was younger because it broke in my eyes. I don't know. It was a thought I had about 3 weeks ago. I'm still debating because I feel like I've had my glasses for a very long time, and I think I'm just due for a change. Get my brush in there and then just wet it a bit, so then it has that metallic kind of feel. This is totally done, but being the Kenyan that I am, I just have to ensure that it's all gone. Oh, another thing that I'm really excited that is coming through this year is Aaliyah's Mark collection. Are you guys so excited about that? Growing up, I mean, anyone who knew me then knew I loved that girl. She was like bomb. You know what I'm saying? Let's repeat. Again, it's done, but I'm not going to say goodbye to it. Can you guys see that? Just get it over the lid. I'm going to use this pointed blending brush for my lower crease, my lower eye area. So the same color I used on my crease area, what I'm going to use now for the other eye. My Nuba, just for my waterline. I'm going in with my LA Girls orange corrector because there's matte fallout. So I'll do that. One in particular, this is by Coastal Scents. So I'm just gonna go in there. Get that. I think the coverage is pretty good. I'll just rather do concealer just to get that. And I'm mixing two concealers. Foundation brush by Real Techniques and just buff everything just so that they blend into each other. This black up, very nude color. So I'm just gonna go over my whole lip with it. So this is not matte, yeah. It's a lip crayon and it's quite moisturized very well. Slightly dark lip pencil that I have by MAC. This is in the shade Night Moth, right? Just really light, just to outline the lip. I'm going to use this bronzer by Black Up again, just to get like the my cheekbones up in there, you know. I want to show you guys like the complete look, so I'll just give me a minute. Let me go put on my dress and shoes so you guys can just have like the outlook, like the finished look, how I'm gonna rock it. Thank you guys for watching. Oh my, by the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Ni hali ya kuwa Mkenya. Anyway, subscribe, share, like, comment down below, leave a comment. I'd appreciate it. And then, I don't think there's any and then. It's until next time. Thanks guys. Mwah.